Hello dear people, my name is Samantha and today I want to talk about your first step when you move to Sweden as EU citizen and you want to stay at least 1 year in Sweden. What you need to know and what you need to do. First thing, you need to go physically, so personal, in Skatteverket and to require social coordination number, which is called samordningsnummer on Swedish. That's one unique number that you get and which helps you to connect with important Swedish institutions, to can open a bank account, to can apply for SFI, the language, and things like this. Which documents do you need to can get your social coordination number? First thing, registering on some address. So you need to be registered somewhere in Sweden. If you have some contract, it's good to bring with you when you go to Skatteverket. Another thing, your EU passport. And third thing, this form that you need to fill out. You can get it there on place or you can download from internet. So that's it. Those three things. And when you apply, when you give them all these documents, you need to wait around 4 to 8 weeks. And the very important thing is that on your post, you need to write your name. So on address where you live, it's very important to write your name because you can't get post there if your name isn't on this post. And when you got your social coordination number, you can go to banks to open your account. You can apply for language or things like this. But another situation is when you already have a job. You can apply directly for personal number. But in case if you have around 75 to 100% job and at least 6 months. So contract needs to be something like this. If you don't fill out these requirements for personal number, you will get automatically social coordination number. But it's good to make your way shorter to get a job directly on 75 to 100% at least 6 months, and you can apply directly to personal number. What do you need for personal number? All these things plus your contract. And also you need to wait few weeks. It depends from city to city and it depends how much things they have to do. So it's the first and most important steps to get your social coordination number or personal number. If you got first your social coordination number and later you got a job and you apply for personal number, they will change it automatically. So you don't need to do anything with your social coordination number. They will directly replace it with personal number, so that's it. Personal number is a most important thing in Sweden, and you will see it's connected with every institution, and on every place where you go, the first thing which is required is your personal number. So that was samordningsnummer, personnummer, and see you in next video in few days.